Okay, so once you switch on the power supply, you turn the dial to the first one, set clock calendar, and you set to current time. Let's say now it's 9 o'clock. So this one is plus and minus. You see now it's blinking is the minute, so you can adjust to current time. So if you want to jump to the hour, you just press the arrow button. Let's say now it's 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. So once you set, you just leave it like that, and so once you set, you can just jump to start time. So program 1, start number 1. So basically you don't need to press P, but for this purpose I will show you if you want to cancel program 2 and 3, it should be off. Program 2 and 3 should be off. Okay, program 1, start number 1. Let's say you want to set to 7 o'clock in the morning. So again, if you want to jump between the menu, you just press the right arrow. So now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, you'll start to water. So start number 1. Start number 2, by default is off, but if you want to change or you want to add, you can just press right, then you press plus or minus. So now let's say you want to turn off, you already set but you want to turn off, you can just go back to 12 a.m. And then we'll turn back to off position. Okay, start number 2, start number 3, it's off. Start number 4 is off. So basically one program, there are 4 start time. Start number 1 we set to 7 o'clock. Start number 2 is set to off. 3 and 4 also off. Program 2, start number 1 is off, 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 and off. So let's say you by accident you already set to on, you can cancel the time by going back to 12 a.m. Let's say you already set to 7 o'clock, so you want to cancel, you just go back to 12 o'clock midnight, then it'll turn off. Program 3. So basically only program 1, start number 1, others should be off. So once you set, you can just jump to this side, set station runtime. If you can see program 1, station 1. So basically again you need to check program 1, start number 1. You can set for 15 minutes. So again, if you want to jump between the setting, you just press the right arrow. Okay, so now it's 15 minutes for station 1, program 1. Station 2, you can again, you want to change the setting to 15 minutes. Now it's off, so we press right button, it's blinking, and we press plus for 15 minutes. Okay, station 2, station 3 again. You press the right arrow to jump. Okay, session 4. I think your house only has 3 stations, so session 4 is off. So you can check for program 2, it should be off. Program 3 should be off. So only program 1, station 1, 2 and 3 should be set. Others, so after you set, you can set back to auto.